Yo, in this video, I'm gonna be dropping a banger of a video on how you can make money with YouTube with 0 subscribers in 2021. Now, I know there's a ton of videos out there that try to give you the type of knowledge that you need in order to make money online with 0 subscribers, but I'd hate to say it, but all these methods honestly suck. I mean, they are garbage. And if you really are trying to make money with YouTube, you have got to start and get after it, build videos and build a following and a subscriber base and following. You don't even have to have this huge amount of following. You just need to have people follow you, and then you need to have some sort of business model behind that. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name's Jackson with Internet Money Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach you how to make money and quit your 9-to-5 job and lead you to ultimately financial freedom. That's my goal with this channel. So if you want more knowledge on how to grow a YouTube channel and make money off of it, then go down below, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications bell, as I'm posting videos almost every single day over the latest and greatest methods. But without further ado, I don't want to make this video that long. I'm going to be cautious of y'all's time because I know it's precious just like mine. So let's hop into this for the 3 tips that I can give you to start making money even if you have 0 subscribers on YouTube. So tip number 1 to make money on YouTube is you've got to get to the point to where you're monetized. Now there's so many ways of going about this. You can purchase your way there, or you can build it organically, which I highly recommend. And I'm going to teach you these 3 methods to getting there as fast as possible. So without further ado, number 1 is got to be you've got to make some banger of thumbnails. As you can see on this video, if you clicked on this video, my thumbnails are incredible. Now, we've all seen those really bad thumbnails that just aren't going to get you any clicks. Now, I've got to say that the importance of a thumbnail is you want a higher CTR, which means a click-through rate. That plays a huge vital process into YouTube's algorithm and ranking your video towards the top. Just think about it. You know, if YouTube is showing your video and you have a really good thumbnail, kind of like this one, I know, it looks good, but if people are clicking on your video, it's going to have a higher click-through rate. And for an example, if your video is shown to 100 people, right, and only, let's say 10 people out of those 100 click, that means you have a 10% click-through rate, which is really good, and your video is going to be pushed to the top. So how do you go about making good thumbnails? Well, the best thing I can tell you, because personally it's what I did, is you go to like a place like Udemy or Skillshare or some sort of website like that. You buy a course on how to make good thumbnails, and then basically it's going to take you some time to learn, but once you learn that, you've acquired that skill, and now you can make awesome thumbnails quickly, easily, and you're going to stand out from the crowd as opposed to people who are just going on YouTube and trying to learn that method. Not saying that's a bad method, but if you go and you purchase one of these type of courses, they're going to give you a ton of info, and they're going to give you more in-depth information on how you can create amazing thumbnails. All right, and tip number 2 is going to be you've got to make an eye-catching and kind of a clickbaity title, okay? You don't want to be so clickbait that your video is not about what is in the title, but obviously if you are trying to make money with YouTube, and even if you have 0 followers, you need to have good titles, because ultimately a title and a thumbnail is what leads people to clicking your video. Now, I'm going to go ahead and leave a video somewhere up here after this video is over. I highly recommend you go and watching it, and I teach you how to do the right keyword research, so that way you can actually rank for specific terms on YouTube search, because ultimately YouTube is Google. I mean, Google owns YouTube, and it's a search engine. It's the number 2 largest search engine. So you need to rank for specific keywords, but also you need to make sure your titles are something worthy of clicking on. Just like in this video, I could have done how to grow your YouTube channel, right? And some people would probably click on that, but when I say hey, how to make money with YouTube. Even if you have 0 subscribers on YouTube, that's going to be a whole lot more enticing than just how to grow your YouTube channel. So make sure your titles look nice and they're super enticing, but don't get to the point to where they're so clickbait that people will dislike your video for that. All right, and tip number 3, and this is the most important. Even if you have 0 subscribers and you're trying to grow a following and make money, you've got to have long watch time on your videos. You've got to keep people entertained on your videos. Now, I'm not the best at this, but I'm trying to become better because I know that on some of my videos, my engagement is super low. They watch for a little bit and they're like, nah, I'm out, because it's not enticing, okay? And YouTube, that is probably the biggest key metric for their algorithm is watch time. If people are staying on your videos and they're watching your videos, YouTube is going to absolutely skyrocket your videos to the top of the rankings, or they're going to suggest it to more people, because ultimately, if people are staying on their platform, they're making more money, which in terms they're going to like, so then they're going to promote your YouTube video even more. Now, this takes a lot of time to get good at and to achieve and to get better and more engaging with your videos and your audience. It's gonna take time, so the best thing I can say is just start making videos.
Do it! Just do it!
That's why I post almost every single day, because right now I am trying to get better being on camera. You know, I'm super awkward. I have to take a lot of cuts. I have to cut a lot of parts out because I'm just weird and I stutter a bunch with my words, but just keep doing it. You know, get better at editing your videos so that way they can look super engaging. But you've got to understand that those 3 things right there, between your thumbnail, your title, and your watch time, those are the 3 things to quickly grow your YouTube channel and to start making money. Even if you have 0 subscribers, if you master those 3 things, I promise you that no matter what your channel is about, then you are going to be raking in the moolah. Now, if you have no idea where to start with the YouTube channel and you want to start making money, then I highly recommend that you go down in the description below, click that first link. That is a full course on how you can get started with affiliate marketing for only $7. Okay, this is by far the best affiliate marketing course for a complete beginner. So if you want to learn how to make money for only $7, then I highly recommend going down and clicking that. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for today. Focus on those 3 things if you're trying to make money with YouTube, even if you have 0 subscribers. And I promise you, you master those 3 things, you will be making more money than you've ever imagined. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, and we will see you all tomorrow.